Hello students, welcome back. I'm your teacher Arpita Sharma and we are studying this chapter statistics. In this chapter we have gone through the basics of it and then we have studied about the range. Okay, so the last topic we were talking about was range. What was the range? In that question also you have to find out the range of it, right? Okay, so what is range here? I've told you the data you're given, you're provided with the data, and in that data you're going to find out the minimum and the maximum one, and you have to find the difference between the minimum value and the maximum value. So the difference between maximum value and minimum value, its difference is known as what? Range. The difference of maximum and minimum value of all the given data. Okay, from all the given data, the difference of maximum value and the minimum value will be known as its range, right? Okay. Now, the question was the relative humidity in percentage of a certain city for a month of 30 days was as follows. So, here you are provided with this data. Now, how many days are there? 30 days. That means you are going to have 30 data. That means the frequency table you're going to make, the sum of these frequencies is going to be what? 30 here, right? We discussed about it. Now, what is the question saying? That first construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86 and 86 to 88. Okay, now we have studied the grouped data classified as two things. The first one was when we're grouping like 84 to 86. If the first limit was that this 86 is including here, the second limit will be starting from 87. That means one number will be included only in one limit. Now, what is the second method is like? It is more like 84 to 86 and then 86 to 88. Now here this 86 is repeating. So it's here. In this case, this is the lower limit, okay, of the range, and this is the upper limit. Here this is the lower limit and this is the upper limit. Now one question arises that this 86, this value 86, will it be counted in that one or this one? So answer to this is, to be very clear, that answer to this 86 will be counted here only. No, but here only. Okay, so 86 will be counted where it is included in lower limit. Okay, if it's not included in two groups like that one, then it will be included only the one it's showing in. But if it's here in the both sides in two groups, then it is only be included on where it is in the lower limit. That means the upper limit of such groups will be excluded. Here the upper limit is excluded. Similarly, for this category, we will be counting from 86 to 88 but not 88. Okay, we will be excluding 88. Correct? Now, clear about the range, clear about the upper limit and lower limit. Okay, now construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86, 86 to 88, etc. Okay, so first come first. Now, what we are having? Relative humidity, relative humidity, okay, in percentage, right, and you are having some frequency of it. So frequency. correct? Now, the range will be from 84 to 86, anything less than 84 here? Okay, so we are starting from 84 to 86, next limit will be 86 to 88, because the difference will be always the same. Here we will be having the difference of 284 plus 286. So if it's starting from 86, it will be going from till where? 86 plus 2, that is 88. Now from 88 to 90, then 90 to 92, then 92 to 93, 92 to 94, right? Then 94 to 96, and then 96 to 98. Okay, and after that we are having something like 99 or 98.1 we are having. So we should shift it. It will be 84 to 86, then 86 to 88, then 88 to 90, then 90 to 92, then 92 to 94, then 94 to 96, then 96 to 98, and 98 to 100. This is the frequency. This is the relative humidity. What about the frequency? 84 to 86. So what we are going to do? We can also have our telemark technique here. How we are going to use it? See here, 98.1. 98.1 will lie here. Okay. Then 98.6 will also lie here. Then 99.2, 99.2 will be lying here also. 90.3, 90.3 is in between this range. 90.3 between 90 to 92. So here. Okay. Then 86.5, 86.5 here. Then 95.3, 95.3 will be going where? Here, 95.3. Then 92.9, 92.9 will be here. Then 96.3, 96.3. Okay. 94.2, 94.2. 95.1, 95.1 here. Then 89.2, 89.2 here. Okay, you are just going to pick the number and find out what is the range here for that one. Okay, so 92.3, 92.3, then 97.1. Okay, find out 97.1 here. Then 93.5, 93, 93, 93.5 here. Okay, and then 92.7, 92.7 here. 95.1, 95.1 here. Then 97.2, 97.2. Okay, 93.3, 93.3. Now we are having 4 here. So fifth will be this bunch. Okay, 93.3 done. 95.2, 95.2 again. Okay, then 97.3, 97.3, then 96.2, 96.2 again in this group. So fifth, right? Then 92.1, 92.1 is here, 1. Sorry. Then 84.9, 84.9, 84.9 is going to be here. Okay. Then 90.2, 90.2 will be lying here just after 90, right? Okay. Then 95.7, 95.7 this will definitely going to be here. Then 98.3, 98.3 is going to be here, and then 97.3, 97.3. Okay. then 96.1, 96.1, 92.1, 92.1, 89. So 89 will be here. So it's here 1, 1, 2, 2, and so I can just write here that that is going to be your telemark. Right. So it is going to be your telemark here. And it's here frequency. Okay, you can denote the frequency by small f. Now, if you'll be counting them, just first write it 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 5 and 6, 5, 6, 7 and 4. Okay, now we have to count it. In case if we have we have missed something or something is wrong here, we can just cross check it. Okay, so this is 21, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this is in total 30. If you are adding them, that will be 30. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 will be 12. Okay, and 12 plus 4 will be 16. 16 plus 14, you will be getting a 30 here. So the summation will be equals to 30. Okay, so summation of frequency equals to 30, and 30 is what? Total number of days. That means it is fine. Now the first question, construct a grouped frequency distribution table with classes 84 to 86 and 86 to 88. So this first is done. This is the answer for the first. Only this table. Now the second one, which month of season do you think this data is about? Okay, so which month or season do you think this data is about? This is about, see here, all these data belong to what? 80% humidity, 90% humidity, okay, approximately 100% humidity is there in the environment. That means this is simply a rainy season. Rainy season is the answer. Now, we'll be talking about what is the range of this data. I've told you the range of the data will be the minimum value and maximum values difference. So, maximum value here will be, because we are having 94 or 98 to 100, we are having 4 values of it here. Okay, so let's find out these 4 values. Because the maximum value will be from there only, from 98 to 100. Okay, so we are having 98.91, one thing here, 2 thing here, thirds here, and the fourth one is 98.3. okay, so from these 4, okay, the maximum value is here 99.2. okay, so the value is here. For the maximum value, we will be seeing that this value is maximum value. Okay, and if you will be seeking for the minimum value will be from here 84 to 86, and there is only one value. So we have to locate the value that is in between 84 to 86, and here is a value 84.9. This is the minimum value here, minimum value. Okay. Then what will be our range? So here range will be equals to maximum value minus minimum value, right? Now, the maximum value is 99.2 minus minimum value 84.9. Okay, so count it: 3, 4, 1. 14.3, right? This is 19.2 and this is 84.9. Yes, 14.3. So 14.3 will be your range. That is going to be your answer for the third part of it. Understood? Now you understood this question completely. So we have to move to the next question, students. Right? Now, a study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air, parts per million ppm of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows. Okay, so data is in the next slide. Okay, what we have to find, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data with last interval such as 0.00 from 0.00 to 0.04. Okay, so there is a difference of in the range difference is 0.04. Okay, and what we have to make 0.00 to 0.04, then from 0.04 to 0.08. This is the method. Okay, and so on. This is the first part, and second part, how many days were the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million. So first we have to solve this first question first comes first. So first we are going to draw this table, and then we are going to find out the next one. Okay, so here's the data. Here's the data, and now we are going to make this table out of it. Okay, so what you're having is here concentration of which sulfur dioxide in ppm. Okay, so concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm. This is the first thing. Okay, we can do it with the tally mark, right? So tally marks, and that is going to tell us what the frequency is basically. Now we have to take it in 0.00 to 0.04. So okay, the first will be going to 0.00 and 0.04. Now the maximum value is 1812 here, more than 13 here, and more than 1316 here. So 17 is here, 0.20 here, 0.20 after 0.20, 0.22 is here. Okay, after 0.22 there is a more value of it? No. So maximum value is 0.22 here. So our range will be going like that, right? Okay. Then from 04 to 08, okay, difference of 0.04. How you are going to make it? Like 0.04 plus 0.00 plus 0.04. Okay, that is going to be 0.004. Again add 0.04 here, that is going to be 0.08. So the next range is 0.04 to 0.08. Then 0.08 0.012. Okay, then 0.012, 0.16, then 0.16 to 0.20, then 0.20, 0.24, and that's it. So we are going to make a nice table out of it. Right, now what we are going to do, we are going to do the telemark thing. Okay, so here we are having 0.03, okay, 0.08, 0.08 will be included in here, right, because the lower limit will be including. Then again 0.08, then 0.09, then 0.04. Now 0.04 will be included here. Then 0.17, 0.17 here surely, 0.16, 0.16 is here again. Okay, then 0.05, 0.05 will be here. 0.02, 02 is here. 0.06, 0.06 here. Then 0.18, 0.18 is going to be here. 0.20 this side. 0.11, 0.11, 0.08, 0.08 this side, the lower limit. 0.12, lower limit 12 here. 0.13 again here. 0.22, 0.22 is here. 0.07, you are getting it? Okay, 0.07, 0.07 comes here. Then 0.08, 0.08 becoming this side. 0.01 this. 0.10, 0.10 this side. Then 0.06, 0.06 will be going this side. Okay. 0.09, 0.09 is coming here. Then 0.18, 0.18, 0.18 is coming here. 3, 5, 5, 8, okay, 2, 4, 2. We can write it 3, this is 5, 5 and 3, 8. Here's 2, 4 and 2. We can just assure it by adding them, okay. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 18 plus 4, 22. And 22 plus 2, 24. Okay. So, what is the data about? Find out the construction of. Okay. So, it is not given here that what is the data, but we can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 in 4 rows. That makes into 6 multiplied by 4, 24. So, 24 data is given, 24 number of data is given, and we are having here also 24. That means the frequency, summation of frequency is what we needed. So, we did it right. Okay. Now, table has been made. Now, what is the next question for us? Look into your question, into your book or your notebook, whatever into your writing. The first question is, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data that we had drawn. Now, for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million? More than 0.11 parts per million, that means more than 0.11, not included 0.11, that means 0.12 or more. Okay. So, when we talk about the third one, more than 0.12 ppm is going to have this data, and this data be equals to frequency of 0.122, 0.16 plus frequency of 0.16 to 0.20 plus frequency of 0.20 to 0.24, right? These three, that is going to be equals to, here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 2. So 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is going to be 8, and this 8 is going to be your what? Answer. Understood? These three categories only. Are you going to include this? No. In this part, you are not having 0.12 included. 0.12 is excluded here. Okay? Right. Now the next question. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. For each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Right. So how many times it was tossed? 30 times. Right. 30 times it was tossed, and they were counted as like that. How many times? Heads, and how many times not coming. Now prepare frequency distribution table for the given for the data given above. Right. So okay, what we are going to do? Right. Here we are having 3 coins tossed together in 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Okay. Number of times head coming. Second thing is tally mark. And the third thing is frequency. Okay. So, head came 0 times here, 0 times, or 1 time, or 2 time, or 3 time. This is it. Now, this is for summation. Now, if it's coming 0, so we can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means, okay, if we count for 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 2, we will be having 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. Okay. And then we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos. Okay. Then we are going to have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes. Now, we are going to write it as a frequency. This is 6, this is 10, 5 and 4, 9 and 4 here. Okay, so how many times it should be? 30 times. Have we left something? Cut. This 3 has been left. That means here 3 again. So that means we are going to have 5 times 3. right? You should have a pencil. If you're going to do all these stuff, you should have pencil, because in your copy examiner will be not liking that, so you can just rub it. But in case you are given with such number of data, so it's very probable, it's very likely to happen that you may miss some numbers or you may rewrite some numbers, so you can just check it with your pencil again and again, right? So that's a trick I'm sharing to you. Now here we are having these numbers. Now what is this? This is 10 and 10, then 20, 21, 21 plus 9, 20, 30. So this is going to be 30. So summation of the frequency is going to be 30, and that's okay. That is something it should be. So yes, it is 30. So we have covered all the numbers and the table is fine. Now prepare frequency table of the for the given data above. So this is only your answer. It has been asked you to have that. So on the basis of the given data, it is convenient for you guys to find out also that whether you have to make the grouped frequency data or ungrouped frequency data. In both the method, tally mark will work. Okay, it is going to be make your things more accurate. So this is how it's going to be here, right? Now in next lecture, what we are going to cover, let's see about that also. That we are having 30 children are asked about the number of houses they watched TV programs, and the previous week the results were found as follows, and these were the results. Okay, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data, taking class with 5 and one of the class intervals as 5 to 10. How many children watched television for 15 or more hours a week? So this is your question. This is not a very tough question. You just have to make this table the way we were I was telling you in the previous questions, and this is going to be good to you. Then we are going to, in the next lecture, we are going to have the graphical representation of data. We are going to study 3 good graphs, type of graphs, and we'll be seeing in the next lecture. Okay students, so this is good, all good for today. Let's meet in the next session, and be talking more about the graphical representation after doing this question. Okay, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.